Welcome to the demo of insightsoftware's GLSU AI Doc Assist. This tool is designed to simplify your experience with GLSU by offering quick, accurate answers to your queries. GLSU AI Doc Assist is your intelligent assistant within the GLSU environment. Powered by advanced AI, it helps you navigate the platform efficiently by offering instant guidance directly from the user interface. Let's explore how you can use it to make your work faster and more efficient. To access the AI Doc Assist, simply click on the AI Doc Assist icon located at the top of the GLSU panel. Let's explore a few examples. First, we'll ask how to create a new template in GLSU. AI Doc Assist searches through the GLSU documentation and provides a clear step-by-step guide for creating a new template. Next, let's ask how to add a new field to my template. Once again, AI Doc Assist instantly provides the solution, explaining the steps you need to follow. Along with the instructions, you'll also see links to relevant resources that can help you dive deeper if needed. And there you have it. GLSU AI Doc Assist is your go-to solution for finding answers quickly and accurately, making your experience with GLSU even more efficient and intuitive. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us through this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight Software product documentation using the link provided in the description.